These are chihuahuas. That is snow. Am I walking or dragging? We have the K&F lens filter on. Snow is white. See if the filter softens it, gives it a nice glow. Hey, I'm Fish. It's a winter wonderland for today. We have lights on. It's a foul day, overcast, with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's one of the best cameras on the market. We all have little issues, bugs, and things we like and dislike. Even with the Insta Ace Pro, and even with the GoPro Hero 13. That's about all I can get today on today's little vlog. Rumors have it that DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro is coming out, and it's not an action camera. It's more like a mini DSLR. And this mini DSLR doesn't have a USB port door like we have here, sliding and locking. It's got those silicone removable doors. Or we all can guess what it has. People push these rumors, these leaks out, and they find these pictures and they get them from somewhere. And DJI won't tell you or give you any information whatsoever. Maybe they're telling and giving these influencers the push to send out a DJI Osmo 6 Pro to you through YouTube videos. Why give the YouTuber who's making the video and posting to them? Oh, please don't get me wrong. These guys do a great job. But imagine DJI puts it out at the community and people give their information right on the spot. Yeah. Then they can actually put things together and improve the camera than pushing leaks out. That's how rumors get spread. Products and release. They already filed for a report. That's what I say. Am I gonna get one? No. You lost me on that one, DJI. I'll see what people have to say in 2025 about that new Action 6 camera. Because the same thing happened with the 360. I'm not interested in a little mini DSLR from DJI if they cannot correct the Action 5 Pro. If I want myself a point and shoot, a mini DSLR, I'll go get another Sony. And I'll get the HX series or an RX series that does the proper job. You know that song by YouTube? Don't get fooled again. It's not the song, but you get the idea. It's playing in my head right now. Out here in the fields, I fight for my meals. Don't cry, no reason why. It's only teenage wasteland. You're wasted. Well, take that song and put it to the Action 6 Pro, baby. I just know that DJI puts out a basic Action 6 Pro, and over time, a year plus, they try to mature. I'm not looking for an immature, premature action camera. I'm looking to buy an action camera that's already matured. And I'm not going to wait 2 years later and have that camera. We are all entitled to our opinion. Yes, we are. And if my opinion is not what you're after, so be it. Don't tell me. Tell DJI. I'm just letting you know what I'm thinking out loud to my camera. Yeah, leaks of products always come out. It is what it is, man. If you like DJI, I do. The fish does. I just don't like seeing things change so quick because they found something that they want to make, a new model. You're not going to go buy a car 3 months later if a new model comes out every 3 months, are you?
Look at the birdies. See the birdies? You don't care.